Hello, my name is Dr. Paul Royal, and I'm here to present the expertise and capabilities offered by Drone MATLAB Limited, or DML. In line with the objectives of future flight, the purpose of DML is to support and develop the delivery of cargoes by drone. We started the company to focus on the creation of use cases and to connect the drone community with our colleagues in healthcare. We hold regular meetings of drone researchers and medical professionals to exchange best practice and support new initiatives. The DRACMAR community is nearly 100 strong. DML's experience in developing use cases has highlighted the need for assuring the quality of the medicine post-drone flight so that regulations are met and patient safety is assured. We have done this, for example, in drone trials to the Isle of Wight. You can see from our work that insulin is not affected by drone flight and is therefore safe to be used by a patient once delivered by drone. We have also investigated the delivery of emergency medicine. We engage with healthcare and patient communities and run perception audits and surveys. Thus, to conclude, DML is a strong partner in projects building on collaboration between the drone sector and healthcare. I look forward to collaborating with you in the future, and I would also invite you to review the presentation again, as there is a lot of more detail in each slide.